Wondering when your Tesco Mobile contract ends? There are several easy ways to find out. The quickest method is to log into the Tesco Mobile app or website and navigate to the My Account section. Your contract end date should be clearly displayed on your account dashboard. Alternatively, check your latest bill or statement. The end date is often listed there. If you can't find it online or in your statements, contact Tesco Mobile customer service directly via the helpline 0344 324 9222 or through their live chat feature for immediate assistance. Make sure to document all communications in case of disputes. Checking proactively helps you avoid unintended rollovers into new contracts. If you're considering leaving your Tesco Mobile contract early, it's important to understand the early termination fee. This fee compensates Tesco Mobile for the revenue they would have received if you completed your contract. Typically, the ETF is calculated as the sum of the remaining monthly installments. For example, if you have 18 months left at £15 per month, your ETF would be £270. UK law caps these fees to prevent unfair charges, generally around £200 to £300. Even if your calculated ETF is higher, it cannot exceed this cap. To find out your specific ETF, contact Tesco Mobile directly or check for an ETF calculator on their website. Negotiating a lower fee might be possible, as some customers have had success by contacting customer service. Be aware that while switching providers mid-contract is an option, you'll likely incur both the ETF from Tesco and setup costs from your new provider. Experts advise weighing the costs against potential savings from a cheaper plan to determine if an early exit is financially beneficial.